Susie's new car. I think it's recording. I really can't tell because the sun's in my face. Did you have fun at the mall?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Suzy. Nick's driving. I like it.
Go ahead. Oh, why can't I drive?
Because it's their car.
I know. I was just kidding.
You gotta start the car first.
Push button start. Hope we can see it through the window. Key has to be activated. Yep. Starting the car trouble.
Just press the button so hard. Press the button thingy to make it go.
You think you want to ride with the top up, right?
No, but like, yes.
Here it goes. Oh, I missed the whole part.
Autobot mode on.
I don't think I've ever watched it myself.
That's pretty cool. That is crazy cool. That is very cool. Transformers.